Hello, I had these delivered today, little treat for myself. Thought I'd unbox them and give them a bit of a swatch on video. It's the Paul Rubens set of 14 neon watercolours. Let's get this plastic off the box so you can see it properly. All very fancy apart from the crease that presumably happened in transit. Let's see what's inside. Oh, that's I think this is all of the colours you can get in their paints. I've got a set of Paul Rubens metallic as well, glittery ones. They're very nice. Oh, and a nice swatch card. Oh, a little protective cloth. Makes you feel a bit fancy. And there's all the colours. We've got a, oh, let's read them off here. Opera yellow, opera golden. Oh, they're all opera, but orange red, orange, light red, red, opera rose, pink, peach, violet, purple, ultramarine, blue and green. I'm going to swatch them straight out of the tubes, I think. I've got some ruler box paper. It's only 190 GSM, so it's not too thick, but it should be fine for swatches. Get a little cloth to wipe the brush. I'll do my proper swatch sheet. Oh, tiny little lids are a little bit awkward, and they've got little foil seals on them. So, oh, that's tough to pierce. There we go. Well, that's a lot. That's a lot. I'll put it on there. I can reactivate it later. Let's do that. Oh, I don't know how well that's showing on camera, but they're very, very neon. Might just pause and get all these open so it's a bit easier. There we go, all opened and on the palette. So let's get the swatching. Nice and vibrant. That's quite similar. But nice to have so many different oranges because it's something that I'm lacking. Oh, nice pinky colour. Oh, that's a nice bright pink. This is the opera pink. This one should be incredibly, yeah, look at that. Really bright. I think I paid $15.99 for this set on Amazon, which is not too bad for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, it's written on the box. 14 5ml tubes. Nice range of vibrant colours. That's a lovely blue. All of them are especially neon, but to put this one down here. That was a bit darker than I expected, that green. Still quite vibrant, but not as neon as another green, neon green paint that I've got. What I am going to do, I have a Daniel Smith Opera Pink. I'm just going to see how this one here, the Paul Rubens Opera Pink, compares. I got the green on the brush, yes I do. So that's actually more vibrant there, more similar. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So, but they're pretty comparable. An opera pink is not light fast, no matter how nice a brand you buy. So that's quite fun. I might have a quick go at just painting something. Got this 300 GSM to, because that's already buckling with just the swatches. Need a pencil. Excuse all the rattling, just rough outline of a feather. Let's see if we can get some paint in there. Use a bigger brush. Get some of this yellow. If I needed that yellow to be a bit wetter, but it's not, they're not sort of running into each other too, there's not a lot of movement. Oh, there we go, look, that's a bit better, isn't it? Get a bit of this darker red to do the stem. Too much water now, losing the vibrancy. Go straight in with some pink. No, that was a mistake. It's two different. Try and blend it with some of that one. I'm a bit muddy there. Some more of that orange in instead. This. Maybe we just drop a little bit of purple in at this top. And a bit more red down there. Pull some of this paint out just to I'm just going to pause and get that dried. Okay, that's all dry. I've got a couple of thicknesses of Faber-Castell pit pens. I've got 0.7 and a 0.3. I'm just going to add a few. Oh, that top bit's still wet. Oops, oh, we'll work around it. Maybe a white pen as well, just to add a few more details. It's this Frisk one. Okay. And what I might do with that is cut it out and use it as a bookmark. Well, let's just add it. That's the thick pen. I want the thin one. Just do a few little marks down there. There we go. And make a lovely little bookmark, I think. So it's dry, I'll get it cut out. So there's all the swatches, that's the bookmark, and there's the paints. Definitely worth 15 quid, I think. Very nice vibrant colours. Move around nicely on the page once you've got enough moisture on there. Yeah, very impressed. So hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.